Hello guys, you are welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we shall see how to generate list of figures or list of tables in Word. So we scroll to the various figures found in this document. The first figure appears in chapter 3. So we cut the figure title, go to reference, insert caption, new label. We choose a label that fits our chapter number, fig 3 representing the chapter number, and we paste. Okay, it appears. We scroll down to the next figure, figure 3.2. we cut, delete, insert, and we automatically it goes to 3.2. okay, it appears. We scroll down to the next figure, which is figure 3.3. we cut, we delete, we go on insert, we paste, it appears. As you can see, we move down to the next, we cut, delete, insert caption, paste, and okay, it appears. We scroll down. The next figure will appear in chapter 4, because we are in chapter 4. We have figure 4.1. so we cut the chapter, we delete the fig label, we create a new label, we call it a fig 4, enter, okay, Ctrl V, and okay, it appears. As you can see, we scroll down to the next figure. We see that there's no more figure in chapter 4. The next chapter is chapter 5, so our next figure will be figure 5.1. we cut 5.1. we go on insert caption, and we create a new label for chapter 5, fig 5 representing the chapter number, and we paste, it appears. We have we scroll down to the next figure, figure 5.2. we cut, delete this one, insert, it appeared automatically to 5.2. Ctrl V to paste, enter. Okay, we go with 5.3. cut, delete this one, insert caption, it goes automatically to 5.3. Ctrl V to paste, it appears. We move to the next figure. The next figure is 5.4. we cut, delete this one, insert, paste, it enters. The next figure is 5.5. we cut, we insert caption, and we paste, and I think that is our last figure in this document. The figures, we are through with the figures. We are through. There's no more figure. We move now. We go up now to the list of table, where we want our list of table to appear, where we go and paste and insert the figures where we want our list of figures to appear. So we go and insert table of figures. We choose the first label that we insert. It was fig 3. We select, we add, wait for a minute, it appears. We insert the next label. It was 0.4, fig 4, it appears under. We insert the last, it was fig 5, it appears under. We can now adjust by clicking here, delete, click here, delete, and this is our figures as you can see, going toward the figure, they ask you to click to control and click on the link. It moves automatically to the figure. So we go up. So this is our list of figures. Now the next we to generate a list of tables. So note the procedure to generate list of figures is the same with that to generate list of table. So thanks for watching. For any worry or selection, please contact us on our page, and do not forget to like, share and comment.